about how to close a blow through or a burn through, and we're going to pretend like this holds a burn through. It's about 1 millimeter metal like before. And the technique is to set your welder down. Usually this might be 20 amp job, so I'm going to go down to 17 amps. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to deposit metal around here just like I'm doing a series of tack welds. And I'm going to go around here and maybe long arc it a little bit to drop some metal in there and build it up, build it up, build it up. Grind it off. You're going to have slag in there. You're not going to get it right the first time. So grind it off, find out where your slag is, knock it out, clean it up, weld back the bad spots, and go on from there. Okay, so let's give it a shot. As you can see, I've closed up all but this little arc right here. So I'll clean out the slag, brush it, and repeat the process. There you have it. You can use some more grinding, but that's pretty much it. It's a good technique for closing up for holes for cosmetic purposes. I wouldn't do it for structural things, but for cosmetic reasons it works great. So there you have it. Hope you found it useful.